0, because at t equals to t0 it will be u of 0, that means 1. And here you see, if we put t equals to minus t0 plus t0, that means u of 1, where u of 0, that is 1, therefore it will start from t0. That means t0 at minus t0, it has started with the value of 1, and here it has started from t equals to 0, and here it has started from t equals to plus t0. In another word, the phenomena which is happening here at t equals to 0, it is happening at t equals to t0. Here it is happening at t equals to minus t0. Now, if we apply this folding shifting property on the folded signal, how it looks? This is t, this is u, this is minus t plus t0. Okay, and this is u minus t minus t0. This is u of minus t. So this is a t0. This is t0. That means if you substitute t equal to t0 here, what you will get? U of 0. Similarly, if you substitute t equals to minus t naught, minus of minus t naught, that means plus t naught, it will start from, it will start with the value of 1. So what we see, ut minus t0, that is ut minus t0, if you consider that the phenomena which is occurring at t equals to 0, now occurring at t naught in delay, and for folded signal, what is happening at 0th instant for u minus t naught, it has started earlier. Clear or not? See this carefully. For minus t naught, that means for what I tell, for right shift, it has been right shifted. For t equal to minus t naught, the signal here has been delayed by t naught, and for minus, if the original signal we consider as, then forget all these things. If the original signal we consider as minus u of minus t, not the original signal, rather if we compare u of minus t naught with respect to u minus t, then we can tell that u of minus t naught is occurring in advance. And if you consider ut minus t naught with respect to ut, then we call that ut minus t naught is delayed by t naught. Therefore, the students are requested not to mix up or just to judge by negative sign only of the shifted time of the time shift, but also consider whether it is written in the form of u of or x of t or x of minus t. If it is x of t minus t naught, then it is with respect to xt it is delayed. But if it is x of minus t naught, it is advanced with respect to x of minus t. That's all for today's lesson. The students are requested to communicate through my through my mail ID if they have any problem. This is for outside this batch, and the students who are in this batch or in the group WhatsApp group created by for this purpose, they can directly write in the WhatsApp what is their problem regarding this previous classes or this class. Therefore, we can discuss this on the next class so that the students can get a portion of essence in the classroom learning, or it goes for interactive teaching learning. Okay, so that's all for today. Bye bye.